Tomato soup with basil and whole grains croutons is a delicious and healthy option for colder days. This recipe is easy to prepare and is ready in a few minutes. Besides being tasty, it's a great way to consume tomato and basil nutrients, which are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Revenue benefits: rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Easy to prepare. Healthy option for colder days. Did you like the recipe? Leave your like and share with friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more healthy recipes. Want more healthy recipes like this? Get our ebook now with over 30 healthy and delicious recipes for all occasions. Alright, now let's go to ingredients. 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic, chopped, 4 ripe skinless and seedless tomatoes, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and black pepper to taste, fresh basil leaves, 1 cup of whole-side croutons. The ingredients in this recipe are extremely beneficial to your health. Tomatoes, rich in lycopene, vitamins A, C and K, as well as minerals such as iron and potassium, help prevent cardiovascular disease and premature aging. Basil, source of vitamins A, C and K, in addition to calcium and iron, is a potent antioxidant and natural anti-inflammatory. Whole croutons, made with whole grain bread, they are a source of fiber and help maintain the feeling of satiety for longer. Now with all the ingredients in hand, we go to the preparation mode. In a saucepan, heat the olive oil and sauté the onion and garlic until tender. Add the chopped tomatoes and water. Season with salt and black pepper to taste and cook for about 15 minutes. Remove from heat and beat in blender until smooth cream is obtained. Return the cream to the pan, add the basil leaves and simmer for another 5 minutes. Serve the hot soup with the whole croutons on top. Did you like that recipe? Then you will love our ebook with 50 healthy and delicious recipes for all occasions. Get it right now and turn your food in an easy and tasty way. Did you like the recipe? Leave your like and share with friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more healthy recipes. And if you want even more healthy and delicious recipe options, get our ebook with over 30 amazing recipes right now.